Hi everyone, this is Rozani. We're going to make some troll heads today out of liquid starch and papier mâché pulp dough. We want them to look rough, so we're going to mix up this rough looking dough. We want to get it to the point where we can model with it. So after mixing it up, it will air dry a little bit, enough so that it's manageable. And then we're going to cover an oval shape. You can use any kind of oval form that you have. But I use my starter shapes here. And this is a good thickness here. You just keep mixing it till you get something that you can squeeze together and it will stick to itself. Now I'm going to begin building a face. And I want this, as I said, I want this to be rough. So that's what we're going to do. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just going to start with the features. So let's do it. Here we go. By the way, use any type form that you like. It could be larger. It doesn't have to be small. I already started working on one form, and I'm comparing this piece to the little head that I already started because I want to get a similar profile. I want to mention that my fascination for trolls started years ago when I was a child, and I loved the fairy tales, the Brothers Grimm, and I loved looking at the illustrations. But then I went to a place called Helen, Georgia, in the United States. And there was a wonderful place called the Old Sawtee Store, and it had these statues of trolls. And I fell in love. I just fell in love with them. They also sold them inside the shop, so I began collecting them. These happened to be Scandinavian inspired. The shop had products from Scandinavia, and it was so wonderful. And since I haven't traveled to Scandinavia, it made it even that much more exciting for me to learn about their culture and their folklore. And it was so much fun. So here we move right along, adding all the pieces that we need to get this started. And I do keep comparing it to one little head that I started earlier. It's important to get that nose profile. That's what makes these little characters stand out. These big, clunky, funny noses. I'd love to know if you're interested in these types of trolls and if you collect them or make them. Please let me know in the comments. And I'll always welcome a thumbs up. Last Christmas, I went to Disney World's Epcot Center, and in the International Village, oh my gosh, I found this shop. I had so much fun. Hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching.